Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Elena, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about organizing your life, your work, and your money. We are still in the midst of our How to Organize Your Life series, and in today's video, we are going to dive into projects, how to organize your projects. So a project is defined as any task that takes more than 2 steps. So if it's not something that you can do in one step, and it's 2 or more steps, you usually have to schedule it and plan for it. You will identify that as a project. I like to keep my projects as a separate tab. You know, any top tabs that I have are regarding to a planner. Any bottom tab that I have is for an insert. So I do have inserts in here related to my projects. So I keep 2 types of projects within my planner. One is regarding business projects. The other one is a home project. And this project download sheet is a sheet that you can get from my Etsy shop. So if you are interested in it, just check out the description box. I will have it linked there. But I wanted to walk you through how I would set up this sheet for a home project. So this will be the process of how I set it up, how I fill out this sheet, and how I plan on using it in order to organize the different projects that I have. So as you can see, this is a very simple project sheet. It has the date, project name, client if it is related to a business client that I have to do, but this is a home project that we're going to be doing today. The date started, date ended, the milestones that will complete this project, and any notes that I might have. So this project is going to be my closet decluttering. I have been needing to declutter my closet for quite some time now. I've been getting things out of my closet here and there, but I need to set aside some time to really do an entire decluttering of my closet. So we're going to write down today's date, which it is the 16th of December, and I'm not going to put a client because this is for a home project. And the start date for this project is actually going to be on the 26th. So I wanted to get this done the last week of the year so that I could start off January fresh. And so I'm planning it out right now, but I'm going to start it on the 26th. And I'm going to leave the date ended blank because I'm not exactly sure how long this process is going to take me. The next part that I'm going to write down are my goals. So this particular project is going to be completed in 5 steps. So I'm going to write down each one of those steps so that I am able to check them off as I go. The first step is to set aside time. I am thinking that this project will take me about 5 hours to complete. So I'm going to check my calendar. It will probably more than likely be on the 26th, and set aside 5 hours for this project. The second step is to empty my closet. So I'm going to take everything out of my closet. Then after we empty the closet, the third thing that I'm going to do is sort my clothes into 3 piles. And those 3 piles are going to be keep, toss, and maybe. Then once everything is emptied out and I've sorted my clothes into these 3 piles, I'm going to clean the actual closet and organize it, like decide where I want different things to go within my closet. And then the last step is going to be to deal with the piles. So I'll keep the ones that I have decided to keep. I'll toss or possibly donate the other ones, and I'll probably store the maybe pile and see if I ever go back to wear any of the things that's in this pile. Usually I like to keep it in some type of container so that if I end up going to that container to look for a specific piece of clothing, then I will add it back into my closet. So these are the 5 goals. These are the 5 things that I need to do in order to complete this project. I usually will look at this and see if there's anything that I need to purchase, but I believe that I have everything because all I would need is trash bags, just in case there's anything I am trying to toss and clean out of the closet, and containers. I believe I have enough hangers for this project, but I'm going to write it down anyway, just in case. And at the bottom here, I do have milestones and meeting notes. So under my meeting notes, I will write down anything that is happening as I am completing this project. So let's say I am working on decluttering my closet and it's just taking me way longer than 5 hours. I will probably add that into my meeting notes so that whenever I am doing this process again, I realize that this takes way longer and I will set aside more time instead of the 5 hours that I originally set. The other notes that I might possibly have is maybe I'll empty my closet and realize I need more things or need containers for my makeup or anything that could possibly happen that I just need to jot down. That's what I'm going to put in this section here. And then under the milestones section, I will just write down different things as I have actually completed it. So let's say I have gone through all my clothes and I have put them all into these different piles. After that happens, then I may write down that that has actually happened. It kind of lets me know my progress overall with this project. So if I don't get it all done on this one particular day and I need to kind of know where I am, then I can come back to this sheet and see what milestone I have actually completed, what notes I may need to complete, what tasks I have done, or if I need to purchase anything, I will write it down here. But this sheet is a way to kind of keep me organized and staying on top of the project as a whole. And then once I have completed the project, I will write down the date ended. So it will serve as an overview of how long certain things take me. I love to look back on different projects, see how long they have taken me, and possibly how much it has cost. So even if I purchase different things, I may jot that down either in my meeting notes or in my task that I purchased something, and I'll write down how much it has cost me as well. And I will just keep these past project planning sheets in another notebook after I have finished it, which is why I love the disc-bound system, because I feel like you can just pull these sheets out and put them in another notebook and you're able to keep them for as long as you want. So this is how this sheet looks. It's another really simple sheet and a simple process of how I'm able to keep track of projects. And if you're asking, why do I keep it in here instead of my planner? Well, when you are dealing with projects, you're dealing with something that may take longer than the amount of time that you have within your planner. So I only keep 1 month in my planner at any point in time. And instead of me having to rewrite this information over and over and over from week to week, I am able to easily come to this sheet within my planner and see where I am on each one of my projects. I currently have about 5 of these sheets within my planner, and I keep them as a separate section right behind my personal section. So it makes it really easy for me to stay on top of any project that I have. And if it was a business related project, then I could use this exact same sheet and put it in my business section of my planner. So I love using these sheets for business and home planning of my projects. And if you want to learn more about how to organize your life, make sure that you check out my new membership called the Organize You. Over there, we do weekly classes. We also do member audits where we will talk about your planning system or your budgeting system. We have a book club, and you get to connect with a bunch of other women who are on the same organizational journey as you. So guys, I hope to see you over there, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.